So there is one more option on our website. So let's click on that application here. And in the bottom, you will see the Cloudflare option. So click on that Cloudflare. So if you want to connect your Cloudflare with your website, so you can do here, and they have very amazing plan. And you can add that Cloudflare plan for just $4.99 monthly plan. But if you will use that service separately from the Cloudflare, so that will cost you much higher. So this is something amazing thing about the Cloudways. So let's come to the conclusion that we are using your Cloudways hosting and we are creating your WordPress website. So overall, the Cloudways experience is really good. You can launch your website, you can create a staging website, you can do a lot of things with the Cloudways. Okay, so finally we have completed our website. Now we can purchase any product. We can add the products. We have learned how we can use the SEO for our website, and we have learned how we can change the menu and products and everything. Now, the most important thing on our website is that is speed. So you don't need to worry about the speed because we are using here the Cloudways. Now, if you want to check the speed of that website, because we have hosted on the Cloudways, let's see the speed of our website. So I'm going to just open the tool. Okay. So like the Google page speed, and I'm going to put my website here, and let's see how this will work. And as you can see, 97% performance. That's really cool. And you can see 97, 91, best practice 100, and SEO. Fantastic. So first content full is 0.7 second. Largest is only 1 second. So our website speed is less than 1 second. So that's the reason we should use the Cloudways as a hosting. So that's the overall tutorial. So if you have any doubt, any problems, you can just comment on any video. I'll definitely reply your comment. Thank you so much for watching this series. Please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.